How to change or reset the Samsonite travel suitcase back to the default factory 000 pin. Okay, so if you want to sell this suitcase or pass it on to someone else, you may want to reset the pin back to the factory default. Okay, to do so, you need to use a pin, a toothpick, or a paper clip. And what you need to do is go to your current pin. So here, go to your current pin. Okay, go to your current pin, and then you press on this button here. Press on this metal button, push it down until it is depressed. Once it is depressed, you then change it to 000. Okay, so you change it to 000. So now this is the factory default, and then you press on this button, push it up, and then you can see this button will pop right back up. So now it is 000. So we have successfully reset the pin back to the factory default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.